A new scientific analysis has raised alarm over the potential for a mega tsunami triggered by a massive earthquake along the Cascadia subduction zone, CSZ, a seismic fault that could imperil millions of people living on the U.S. Pacific coast. The CSZ stretches nearly 600 miles from Northern California to Vancouver Island and marks the boundary where the Juan de Fuca plate is forced beneath the North American plate. This process builds up immense tectonic stress over centuries. Researchers at Virginia Tech, led by geoscientist Tina Dura, estimate there is a 15% chance of a magnitude 8.0 or greater earthquake striking within the next 50 years. Potential impact zones. If such a quake occurs, the resulting tsunami could devastate Washington, Oregon, and Northern California, potentially impact Alaska and Hawaii as well. The last major CSZ earthquake struck in 1700, generating a tsunami powerful enough to reach Japan. Today, with heavily populated coastal cities, critical infrastructure, and transportation hubs, the damage would likely be exponentially worse. What makes this threat different? Unlike typical tsunamis, models suggest a CSZ megatsunami could produce sea level drops of up to 6.5 feet, waves approaching 1,000 feet high, widespread coastal subsidence, instantly reshaping floodplains and shorelines. Cities such as Seattle, Portland, and communities in Northern California could be submerged within minutes, leaving residents with little or no time to evacuate. Key findings from the study. Virginia Tech researchers ran tens of thousands of computer simulations, concluding that current hazard maps underestimate the danger. Their analysis suggests over 170,000 buildings destroyed, more than 30,000 potential fatalities, economic damages exceeding $81 billion. Lead researcher Tina Dura emphasized the urgency. The expansion of the coastal floodplain following a Cascadia subduction zone earthquake has not been previously quantified. The impacts to land use and recovery timelines could be far more severe than expected. Call for action. The study underscores the urgent need for improved evacuation routes and drills, advanced early warning systems, stronger, more resilient coastal infrastructure. Researchers stress that the speed of flooding could leave little margin for error, making preparedness the most critical factor in saving lives when the CSZ eventually ruptures.